Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your HP DeskJet 2600 series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and in the Google search, you want to locate or search for HP DeskJet 2600 series drivers. One of the best results should be HP DeskJet 2600 all-in-one printer series software. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to scroll down here and you want to select the item that says installation software full/basic driver support and select the HP DeskJet Ink Advantage 2600 all-in-one printer series print and scan driver. Go ahead and download that. And then once it's downloaded, go ahead and open up that file to run it. You can close out of the web browser at this time. And then if you receive a user account control prompt, it should be HP Inc. Select yes. And then you want to proceed with the installation settings here. Go ahead and just follow along with the on-screen directions depending on your preferred connection type. And that's all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.